Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and this may look like a regular smartphone right now, even a bit Samsung Galaxy-ish. But those of you who loved horizontal QWERTY phones in years gone by are going to really like its main feature. This is the FX Tech Pro1, and it's designed by a company in London to bring back the glory days of the horizontal sliding QWERTY phone. Now, this particular physical QWERTY features 5 rows of keys with 64 buttons in total, which means your usual QWERTY letters as well as smaller number row along the top and some cursor buttons in the bottom right corner. And best of all, it's all backlit. On first try, the keys feel nice and clicky, they're easy to press, well spaced, and the top row is far enough away from the bottom of the screen so it doesn't feel cramped or uncomfortable. It was kind of unusual to be using 2 thumbs to type on a keyboard again, but it felt good. When open, the screen is held at an angle so it isn't completely flat like the T-Mobile G1 or G2 were, and that hinge stand is made from a lightweight and sturdy magnesium alloy. It doesn't wobble, either when it's shut or open. It feels really well made. Apart from that, it has the usual ports and buttons. It has the Type-C port and a speaker on the bottom, a headphone jack and the other stereo speaker on the top, and the right side plays home to the volume key, power button, a fingerprint sensor, and the dedicated camera shutter button. As for the camera itself, that's got the same 12-megapixel sensor as the Pixel 3, and a secondary 5-megapixel one for depth. Now inside it's got the Snapdragon 835, which is getting a little bit old now, but still powerful and efficient, alongside 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and a 3200 mAh battery that charges quickly thanks to Quick Charge 3.0. And that screen on the front is a Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with curved edges. Again, similar to Samsung's. Software-wise, it's running a very clean but customized version of Android Pie. This includes a really useful horizontal mode, so recent apps in the app drawer both work in landscape and portrait. There's also bespoke calendar and email apps designed to make good use of that landscape screen. Now we'll have more of an in-depth look at this in a couple of months, and this phone will launch in early summer with a price of £649 or $649 in the States. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on social media. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next one.